and how we can add a Maven project for that. Okay, we'll just go ahead and we'll just check that. So what I just want you to do is just check whether Eclipse is installed in your system. If not, you can just download the Eclipse JDK. Okay, so since it is already installed, you can just click on the launch. Okay, you can just download any version that you want, basically. Fine. So this is my Eclipse. So I'll just show the steps. File new. I will go ahead with. You can just go ahead with other. So I'll just show you too fast. So Maven project. So let me just go ahead with the Maven project. Click next. So then what I'll do, I'll click next. Then all catalogs. So I just want Maven underscore, or you can just give, it will just load. Okay, ARCHEDYP type. Okay, there you can just go with quick start. Okay, quick start. So one point you will be having org apache maven. So go with this. Okay, when you give quick start, you will just get next. So here read data from JSON is already there as a group ID. Give the same group ID, the artifact ID. You can give anything that you want. Both the names should be the same. Okay, read data from JSON. Finish. Click on finish. Okay. So after that, it's getting all the things that's needed. Okay. Starting it. Okay. So you have to wait for like 2 to 3 minutes basically until it is completely done. Fine. So now what happens here is that, so you will be having something called as JSON here, target, and you have Java, and all these things are already created for you, right? So what you can just do there is, so you have the Maven dependencies created, stores you have, target you have, and pom.xml is already created, is also created along with it, right? So what I have to do here is that, okay, so you can just add a new file here, and file name you can just give it as student JSON. The extension you can give it as JSON. Save the parent folder. Okay, so what is getting created here is that student.json. So in student.json, you can specify key and value, right? So first, value, let me give it as Devops. This is first name. Okay, and the next one is last name. Then it is folder. Okay, I have saved this. Okay, now close this. Close this. So now what I'll do, adding dependencies. Go to Google Maven repository. On the first repository that you have here, you will come here and click on the first one. Okay, what is that is MVN repository. MVN repository, you will just have this search simple JSON. Enter. So this is the one, json.simple. Click and choose version 1.1.1 and take this completely. Copy this. Go here. You have Maven dependencies here, right? So go with the tom.xml file here. Open this. Here is that we'll be having something called as dependency. See, if you can see here, copy whatever you have copied, paste here. So now after copying it, what I'll do is I'll just do this, then I'll just save this. Okay, so let me save this. Okay, so now if you just go and check here, JSON 1.1.1 jar file will be indicated here. Fine. So suppose if I just do it as 1.1 in this case, and then let me save this again. So now it is taking there. So we have created there as 1.1.1, right? So what I'll do, I'll save this. Let us do it. Now the dependencies are created. Automatically it will be loaded. Fine. The jar file. This is the jar file that is loaded automatically. Fine. So now you have something called as read. You have, and you have read from jar file. You can create a new class here. Or new class. Okay, name. You can just give it as read JSON.java. Okay, so now what I just want you to do here is that so now you can just download all these things into the particular file.